To update Webull desktop, start by opening the application on your computer. If an update is available, you will typically see a notification prompting you to update. Click on this notification to begin the update process. If you do not see a notification, click on the Webull logo in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Check for Updates from the drop-down menu. This will initiate a check for any available updates. Once the update check is complete, if an update is found, click the Update Now button to start the download and installation process. You may be prompted to restart Webull desktop to complete the update. During the update process, Webull desktop may close and reopen automatically. This is a normal part of the update process and should only take a few minutes to complete. After the update is complete, log back into your account to ensure that all features are working properly. It is also a good idea to review the release notes for the update to see what changes have been made. Best practices for updating Webull desktop include regularly checking for updates to ensure you have the latest features and security patches, and avoiding interrupting the update process once it has started. By following these steps, you can easily keep Webull desktop up to date and take advantage of the latest features and improvements. Regularly updating the application will also help to ensure the security and stability of your account.